You know, it's National Depression Awareness Month, so I'm really digging into the connection between food and mood, and research continues to show that at the root of a lot of our kids' depression and anxiety is food, stress, and missing connection, missing relationships with people they love.
It makes sense, and you can kind of tackle those things in the kitchen, because you're gonna be putting the electronics down for a minute, and you're gonna be connecting, having a human connection, and then just being connected with food and creating something. So what do you start with over here?
Yeah, so first of all, it has to be said, you gotta ditch the sugar. And then we wanna talk about increasing vegetables and healthy fats, particularly omega-3s. They're really brain protective, and those are found in chia seeds, flax. Salmon is the highest if your kids won't eat fish. A fish oil supplement is always a great idea to build your brain's resiliency.
Okay.
Anytime you can get more vegetables in with healthy fats like coconut oil and olive oil, it's a great idea, particularly zinc and magnesium. Research is showing that zinc and magnesium deficiencies can be the root cause of depression and anxiety.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, so that's why we have these pumpkin seeds here.
Yep.
You can buy them at the store, the green kind, or I roast any seeds that I pull out of a fall squash.
Oh, wow. So did you roast these pumpkin seeds here, or squash
yep,
seeds? All right, so I'm going to taste a couple
homemade.
of these.
A little bit of chili powder, salt, and olive oil.
That's all it
I
takes.
could eat those all day long.
Okay, what else we got here?
Well, and then magnesium is a fun one to get in. It's in simple stuff like bananas and avocados. It's also really high in cocoa. So eating a square of nice dark, like 85% dark chocolate every
Look at
day.
how dark this chocolate is.
Yeah, it's good for your brain.
All right, I'll taste a little bit of this too, Katie.
You will not regret that.
All right, very good.
And then it has to be said that building kids' competency is like, I almost feel like it's depression insurance, because if they feel like they matter, if they feel like they really make a difference in the world and they're doing something genuine, it goes a long way toward keeping them balanced in their brain. And so that's why we have this stuff here. My kids made some power balls, which are a healthy snack with good fats and no refined sugar. And we use all these tools to teach kids real skills in the kitchen. And like that feeling of making food for someone and seeing them eat it, nobody needs a participation ribbon.
That's confidence, right? Katie was a former teacher who said, you know what, we need to teach our kids and ourselves to some extent how to cook with real food. Simple stuff, but delicious and good for you.